Dear God, remove anybody from my life who no longer serves me purpose for where you're taking me. Father, I pray that you help me to see a person for who they really are and not see them for the potential that I want them to have. God, help me to trust in the discernment that you give me, Lord God, and to show me the intentions of those around me. If I'm treating someone bad, correct me. Send me people who will tell me not what I want to hear, but people who will tell me what I need to hear. Father, you are in places that I'm not. You see things that I don't. You hear conversations that I don't. And God, you know who those who are on my side and those who are praying on my demise. God, remove those people from my life gracefully. God, I pray that you remove the soul ties that are attached to those people, Lord God. Your word tells me that bad company corrupts good character, and whoever walks with the wise become wise, but the companion of fools will suffer harm. God, I don't want to suffer. God, I don't want to walk with those who are not for me anymore. God, I pray that you will sever those ties